Hi, Abaji here. We're making this video to thank all our fans for all the support that they've been providing since the beginning of this channel. The thank you messages, the keep it up messages and comment that you've been sending definitely help us keep on going and providing you the content that you enjoy. Therefore, we're saying a big thank you to each and every one of you. To keep the channel even more productive and to providing you with even more coding solutions, we've created a Patreon page where our beautiful fans like you, yes, you, can help us continue providing free content to everyone who cannot afford paid product. As a special give back to all our Patreon members, we will provide all the source codes ready for download in the Patreon page, where you can just click on a download button and have all the source code, the application itself running, and you can deploy it on your machine without going page by page to copy it from the blog site. The link to the Patreon page will be available in the description below or somewhere around the video, depending on where you are viewing this from. Whether you're a Patreon member or not, we are saying keep supporting us in any capacity that you can, and see you inside Patreon.